I just finished this antique Bontems, a hail from Paris, France, singing birdcage automaton. Very nice condition, fully serviced, gorgeous blue bird, very bright, colorful feathers. Let's watch it play. The bird sings with full voice, hitting all the proper oscillating notes, yet the mechanism runs nice and quiet. The bird animates as she should. Let's demonstrate the pause function. I think that's where it should be. Let's see, the pause feature works. Go back to continuous, which is where you'll have it playing most of the time. This cage would be from the early 1900s. Very pretty. Go ahead and turn it off. I gave the case what I call a gentle restoration, so providing appropriate luster and shine while also maintaining appropriate antique patina. So in summary, an antique Bontems singing birdcage automaton. It's really in wonderful condition and sings very well. Take care.